So to begin, I'm clicking on the purple plus and that will take me into my studio. Here I am given two options, the music option or the podcast option. In this video, I'm going to choose the music option. However, we will see the podcast option in the next video. So once I click in, my blank canvas is ready to go. So to get the students started, I would get them using the loop function. Students can access the loop function by clicking on the grey square or on the purple circle. Some loops require the premium subscription to use. However, there are thousands of free ones available, so there should be a lot of choice for students. Students can play the loops by clicking on the play button at the side. If there's a loop they particularly like, they can press this little love heart beside it and that will save that into their favorites for later. So I've done that with two loops here that I'm going to use today. So to take the loops into my canvas, all I do is drag it over. So the first one, I'm dragging it over into my first track. I'm hiding all so lonely. Yeah. So what we have there is bass and vocals. And then I'm going to drag over my second loop. So to hear what they sound like together, I'm pressing play. I'm hiding all so lonely. Yeah. I'm hiding all so lonely. Yeah. And they will continue to do what loops do and play over and over again. You may have noticed that down here it tells us what key that loop is in and the tempo, so anything else we pop in will automatically go into C minor. So when the students are happy with their two loops, they can go and explore other options that are available to them. To do that, they might click Add New Track and they can see all their options here. Voice microphones, piano keyboard, guitar and bass, drum and beats, etc. So just for the sake of this video, I'm going to pick piano and keyboards and show you what that looks like. So if you're finished with your loops, you can just press this button and they'll pop off over to the side. If you want to get them back, click here again. So as you can see from doing that, my instrument disappeared. To get that back up, just click here on the little instrument. So students can use the piano to put in some chords perhaps. Or maybe they decide they don't want to use piano, and if that's the case, they can choose something different. And again, just keep an eye on what's available. So anything that says premium trial, we cannot use. So I would give students time to explore the functions of Soundtrap, see what they come up with, and this means they're engaging with the program before you move on to any other projects. And this will allow them to work independently using Soundtrap.